Hello and welcome back to the channel. Inside this box is the XINOWY S8 Pro motorcycle communication system, and they're packed with a mighty amount of features at a very tiny price, including 1,000 meters of range. So when you're out riding with your buddy, you can connect via Bluetooth up to 1,000 meters and have an awesome conversation. But not just that, if you've got a pillion on the back or with your rider buddy, you can share the music that you're listening to, so you can both have a boogie as you're out on your adventure. But it's got so much more. Connects to your phone so you can make calls. It promises to be easy to install, but most of all, they've sent it to me for the 11 out of 10 review, what means we're going to unbox it, install it and check it out in the real world. So let's start with the great unboxing. On opening up the box, the first thing you'll find is your user manual installation guide. This is well printed with step-by-step instructions for installation. Next you'll find your S8 Pro motorcycle comms. These feel extremely good quality in the hand. With a rugged, heavy-duty feel, there is a single USB-C type connector. The buttons feel super easy to press, with a Bluetooth button on the back and a jog dial that you can rotate and press for easy access to your functions. It comes with two different options for mounting the comms to your helmet. One is a stick-on mount and the other is a slide-on mount. The speakers have a good quality feel and already come with a Velcro mounting pad attached to the back. They already come with a boom mic installed, but you also get a nice stick-on microphone that comes with a nice foam wind protection on the mic to make sure that when you talk, you're not going to get all that nasty wind noise. You also get a second set of Velcro pads, so if you decide later to move it to a new helmet, you've already got a set ready to go. You also get a spare backing plate for your slide-on mount, so you've always got a spare. All tools for installation are provided, plus you get a Type-C charging cable, and of course in the Duo pack you get two of everything, and that's everything you'll find inside the box. So now it's time for installation. The first thing you want to do is put your S8 Pro comms on charge. You'll know that they're charging because they'll illuminate red. Now take your motorcycle helmet and remove all the inner lining for easy installation. Take one of your Velcro mounting pads, remove the protective layer off the back and stick it into location with a nice firm push. Do that on the other side and then likewise with the microphone Velcro mounting pad. Next, take your speakers, and because I'm using a full face helmet, I remove my boom mic and put my stick-on mic on. Take the speaker with the longer wire, and this goes the opposite side to where you're going to mount your S8 Pro comms. Then mount your other speaker with the shorter wire onto your Velcro mounting pad. Likewise with your microphone, just stick it on to the Velcro pad. Now decide how you want to mount your S8 Pro comms. For me, I like to use the sliding mount. You simply undo the two screws in the bottom, slide it in between the back plate of your helmet and the outer shell, and then just re-tighten. Take your S8 Pro comms and just slide it onto your mount, and with a nice firm click it will be into place. All you have to do now is plug your cable into the bottom of the comms, replace all of the padding of your motorcycle helmet, and that is installation complete. And as you can see, it's a nice neat finish once completed. For intercom pairing, simply hold down both buttons on both devices to power up the unit. Then with a simple firm push on the Bluetooth button, you'll find that it will automatically connect. For phone pairing, hold down the jog dial for about 10 seconds. This will enter Bluetooth mode. Open up your mobile phone, go to Bluetooth, select S8 and your phone will connect. Now it's time for the real world test. Well, out here on the real world, what we'll start with is a 30-mile-an-hour test. So I've got Abby on the back as pillion, so can you hear me nice and clearly?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So what we'll do next is we'll bring it up to the 60 miles an hour because we can hear each other perfectly at 30. Now a lot of comms do struggle at 60 plus, especially on a naked bike, so let's put it through the test. Let's bring it up to 60 miles an hour. Okay, so at 60 miles an hour, can you hear me nice and clearly?
Yeah, I can hear you.
so I can hear her nice and clearly at 60 miles an hour. And what really helps about these comms is the microphone has a wind protector over it, so let alone on a naked bike you're getting quite a lot of air, that wind protector really helps. So of course the other thing that's really important is when you're out riding is having that good conversation, and the comms work really well because if, for example, you've got something in front of you and you've got a person behind, you can tell them that the obstacle's coming up. But to give you an idea of what the clarity's like between both comms, I'm going to ask Abby on the back, how has your day been and what have you been up to?
It's been lovely. The sun's shining. I've got some gardening to do later, so that'll be nice. Yeah, it's been a really nice day.
And as you can hear, it's got really good clarity between us both. As she was saying, the sun is shining. Now as we're heading further and further out into the country, what we're going to do next is we're going to test out the range, because these comms boast 1,000 meters of range. So let's see how good they are. So here we go, we're going to test the range. I'm going to leave Abby there. I'm going to see exactly how far these comms are going to reach. So here we go. So Abby, as we set off, can you hear me nice and clearly?
Yeah, I can hear you clearly.
Lovely. Let's continue the distance as we're going further and further down the hill. And we're a decent chunk now. You're a slight dot in my mirror. So Abby, can you hear me nice and clearly?
Yep, I can hear you.
Good. There is no sound of it breaking up at all in any way at the moment. Let's try a little bit further. Abby, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you clearly, yeah.
Still nice and clear. So we're just going to pull round here. And let's give you an idea currently of the distance, how far we're away. If you can look right at the top of that hill just up there, there's Abby. Can you hear me nice and clearly?
Yes, I can hear you.
Wow, look at that distance, right where that tree is, she's just there. Let's try a little bit further. Now we're going to get behind some obstacles coming up. So Abby, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
She can still hear me nice and clearly. And all these trees in front of us now. Abby, can you hear me? So it's broken up just now, and that's quite a range, so that's easily the 1,000 meters. But the big question is, and you've got to remember that this will connect up to 8 riders at once. So say one of you drop out, that's just happened now, will they auto connect? Let's find out. So as we've come back, the question is, have they automatically connected? Abby, can you hear me?
I can hear you now.
So what's awesome is they've now reconnected. That's really good. But there's more features to this. Let's explore. So another party trick between both of these is that we can share the music. Now I've connected my phone to Abby's comms here, so she is the main unit. So literally on my phone now, if I press play, she can hear the music playing. And now for me to hear it, all I've got to do on the jog dial is press 3 times. And now I can hear the music. So between us, we're both getting to chill to the music. So let's find out. I love listening to music, especially as we can both do it. But let's find out how cool it is out on the road. So the other thing that's really cool, as we're riding down the road, sharing the music from my phone, having a little boogie as we're going. What's really good is if you want to swap back to comms for communication, you just press your Bluetooth button on the side just once, and instantly the music will stop and you're back on comms. So Abby, can you hear me again on the back?
Yeah, I can hear you.
And there you go, you're straight back into conversation. So when you're out and about, if you receive a phone call, you can easily answer it by tapping the jog dial once, and then when you're ready to hang up the phone call, you can just tap the jog dial again and it will disconnect. And then what it will automatically do is go back to playing your tunes. So if you're on a long haul ride, you get to listen to your tunes, you can answer the call, or you can make a call by holding it down, and within a few seconds it will activate the Siri on your phone, and you can say to it, call Abby or call Mum, and you can get that phone call done. So these comms really are a do-it-all comms. Up to 8 riders automatically reconnecting if they get disconnected, if you get separated. You can make a call, you can still access your Siri, you can share your music, and all that at an incredible price. These
are seriously next level.
I'm sure you'll agree with me that XINOWY S8 Pro motorcycle communication system is just awesome. And if you want to go and pick up yours and check out how cheap these are, just pop over to their website. All the information that you need is down in the description, including the latest discount code, because these are seriously next level for the price point. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, but most of all, you need to share this with your biker buddy. This video will tell them all that they need to know about these comms. That means that they'll buy it as well, so you two can ride down the road having that awesome conversation. And of course, if you're really interested in all the tech in the motorcycle space, don't forget to hit that subscribe so you never miss out on an episode. And I will see you in the next Helmet Head adventure. Take care for now, and bye-bye.